The vocabulary word we are exploring now is solder. Solder. Have you seen two wires joined together with a shiny metal bond? That process uses solder, a material that melts and fuses metal parts. The word solder refers to both the metal alloy used and the act of joining pieces, often in electronics and metalwork. Meaning of solder. Solder is a fusible metal alloy used to join metal pieces by melting. As a verb, it means to join or repair metals using this method. Examples: he used solder to fix the broken circuit board. The jeweler carefully soldered the chain back together. Solder helps create strong electrical connections. Short story. Arjun loved tinkering with old radios and gadgets. One day, he found a broken toy car that wouldn't move. After inspecting it, he realized a wire had come loose. He heated a soldering iron and carefully used solder to reconnect the wires. The car suddenly came to life, racing across the floor. His younger sister cheered with delight. That small repair gave Arjun confidence, and soon he started fixing more gadgets in his neighborhood. For him, solder was more than just melted metal, it was a tool for creating and restoring joy.